agricultural honoring.
Nobody could be more deserving of an award for leadership in agriculture. Jennifer truly embodies the golden rule. She is generous, caring, and never anything but her down-to-earth self.
It's such an honor to receive this award, and I want to thank the Santa Rosa Chamber so much for selecting me. There's been a dramatic shift in the last 10 years, particularly with high-end chefs using goat dairy products in the natural foods industry, that many people see dairy goat products as a staple of a natural and healthy diet. Sonoma County has been at the forefront of sustainable farming and business practices, animal welfare, and they've always been at the cutting edge of this movement.